In this video, we will show you how to modify the geometry properties of your components. After placing a component, you can double-click it to modify its properties. We can easily change the length of the component. With the two buttons, you can determine the direction of the component. It is also possible to connect the component to planes. In this example, we define a custom height at the top and bottom. You can define scale factors along the X and Y axis to easily modify your cross-section. With the Reset button, the values will be set to 1 again. We can mirror the cross-section along the X and Y axis. But since this is a symmetrical profile, no changes can be seen. Lastly, we can rotate the cross-section around the reference point of the component.